Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. If you're looking for a dress for a special occasion, or maybe you just want to treat yourself, then this dress from UZN is perfect for you.
I was absolutely blown away by the quality of this dress. It will feel like it was made just for you. It has the most beautiful floral embroidery all over the tulle overlay. It also has sewn in pockets into the tulle overlay, so you know that any dress with pockets is an absolute must buy. The top of the dress has a corset-like boning and a built-in bra, so it is super comfortable to wear. It has these gorgeous, delicate sleeves, and you can have it made with the corset tie-up back, so you can have it fit exactly the way that you want it to. And the dress is not overly heavy, so it's comfortable to wear in all kinds of weather and will make you feel like a fairy princess.
So I think this dress is absolutely perfect. Whatever occasion that you need it for, you will feel like royalty in it. I think it is 100% worth purchasing, but that's just my point of view.